you going to manage to record this without chopping my head off? You can reply. I've got Aldi Soup Maker today. I have opened it just to get this out, but I haven't actually got the thing out of the box yet, so this is the first time I'm actually seeing it. This was $29.99 Aldi. Now, it's not really soup season anymore. You're going to just laugh all the way through this, aren't you? I can see you shaking your head.
Start again.
Okay, we'll start again if you're going to control your fit of the giggles, husband. This was $29.99 a few weeks ago, and it's one of those gadgets I've always, it looks like a kettle kind of thing. Stop shaking and laughing, please. Yeah, so it's like, you plug it in, it must have a heating thing in the bottom, and, oh God, that's heavy. There's a blade in it, put that back in there. This is a chunky piece of kit, it's not flimsy at all. So can you see those? There's like some, there's about 4 or 5 programs: blend, keep warm, smoothie, compote, chunky soup, smooth soup. So the blend blends, but it doesn't heat. Keep warm, keeps stuff warm after you've made it. Smoothie blends it, but doesn't heat it. But must be different to the blend program. I don't know what the difference is yet. Compote is not soup. I don't know. I did read this quickly. Oh, pack it in, will you? Chunky soup, that chops it a bit, but not loads. And then smooth soup, where it presumably blends it. I mean, we've been stung with these devices before, haven't we? Because we made the raw soup in the Vitamix and it was not very nice. So I want to know whether or not you can chuck in a can of tomatoes, some onions and garlic and some herbs and heat it up, and does it taste okay? The program lasts for about 30 minutes, so it is getting a decent cook time. One of the features I've noticed straight away is you've got a maximum and a minimum volume gauge, and this little thing that's sort of like a dibber that points down in it, that apparently is a sensor that will tell whether or not you've overfilled it. And if it starts bubbling up, getting too hot, or you've overfilled it, the temperature will cut out. So that seems quite clever. I am optimistic that if the lid stays on very, very securely, the thing that this should do is a heavy lid. I'm not going to be as worried about that flying off. With the Vitamix, I was terrified that the lid was going to just go like that and the soup was going to go everywhere. With this, it should be a bit, it's going to be a slower blade, but it will perhaps rotate and cut through the cooked ingredients. So we're going to see how we get on with this, and then I'll make another video.